Hello guys. Hello guys. See? Hello guys. Hello guys. Hello guys.
Hello guys.
We're going to unbox CJ's toy. Yay. Ito pala. Tapos you do it like this, CJ, oh. Like that. Dapat malakas. Oh, lakas. Wow. Dapat mas malakas. CJ, like this, oh. You do it, lakasan mo. Oh! Let's go there. Down. Let's put it there. Down. Not here. Yeah. There. See, like hard. Woohoo! Yay! Wag yan bola. Wag yan bola. Alright, guys. Alright, where's the car? Yung car ang ilagay mo, put this one on car. Yoo-hoo! Alright, then hard. Hard. Hard, Hard. Alright, okay, hard. Go get it. Go get it. Okay. Here. Put there. Put now. Put it there. Can I do it? Can I do it? Can Daddy do it? 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! Yay! Galing Galing Okay, go. Woo! You hit this, the edge. Not too hard, ah. Like this, oh. Like that. Only. Oh, no. Woo! Galing, ah. Come on. Alright. Woo! Galing, ah. Yahoo! Okay. Alright, guys. Here's CJ. He's going to play the Hot Wheels. Woo! Galing, ah. He knows how to play it now. Alright. Alright. Woo! Nice. Oh. It's just the car. Can you do the car? Okay. Okay. Alright. Ready? Go! No! Slow down. Just hit the edge. Edge of the yellow. Oh! Lakas, ah! Lakas ng pagkapakwan mo. Okay, ready? Go! Nice! Woo! Galing, ah. Oh. Alright. Woohoo! Galing, ah. Alright. Go! Go! Galing, ah. Alright, guys. Woo! Okay, last one more. Ready? Get set. Yeah, put the ball. Come on, go. Go! Galing, ah. No. Alright. Okay, say thank you and bye-bye na to the vlog. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Alright.